What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to ICNV Drivers Edition. Today, I just hopped in the C8, my favorite place. You know, I like to talk from, shoot videos from, and so forth. Enjoy it. Today, I'm going to get into, I'm going to answer some questions. So, a lot of you saw the video with me putting my wheels on the car. I really like them. They're very, to me, classy and more. It just gives the car my own personal flavor. So, but in the midst of all that, when you go back and look at the picture or the video, people say, hey, there was more boxes in the picture than just wheels. What's going on? You said you had more modifications or more mods coming to the car. Well, what's happening? So, you're right. If you look at the video, there are other boxes in the picture and so forth, and other stuff did come in. So, in today's video, let's get into that. All right, so now we're going to jump off into what other modifications came with the vehicle. Well, if you look at the picture in the background, you will see a bigger box. That was actually the rear spoiler. Now, I just actually threw it on. I should have took a video of the installation process, but it was one of those things whereas I kept going back and forth, but I was going to do it, I wasn't going to do it, I was going to do it. And I'm not talking about like shooting the video, but actually just when I was actually going to install the wing. So I got bored and started messing with the car. Next thing I knew, I was pretty much halfway through the process. And I didn't feel like at that point it was even worth trying to shoot a video on it. So, but it's installed. So I'll let you guys take a couple quick looks at that. Also, it came along with the car where it's like accessories and so forth for the wheel installation, the bolts, the hardware, center caps, tire pressure sensors, things of that nature. I did order a set of center caps I was debating on actually swapping out. I ordered some Corvette center plates, but when they actually came and so forth, I really didn't like the look of them, so I decided not to install those and send them back to get my money back. But so that's pretty much what was kind of floating around in the other boxes. I'm strongly debating on putting carbon fiber all throughout the car, the steering wheel, the center console, and so forth. But I just haven't really fixated my mind one way or the other. So you let me know what you think. Do you think I should just go ahead and throw the carbon fiber all throughout the car, similar to the Z06 package that's coming out? Because there is some aftermarket companies I could get some nice carbon fiber that pretty much covers the center console. I'll show you a picture. And let me know what your thoughts are. Do you think that would make the car pop? Let me know in the comments. But getting back to this rear wing, this is one of the decisions I had to make that I wasn't really sure about making. I really like the clean, sleek look of my car without a wing, but then at the same point in time, I always felt like it was missing something since I put the 5VM front skirt on. Before we get too heavy into this video, I want to tell everybody, please hit the like and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Let's break the YouTube algorithm and share the video so we can get this information out. I think it's helpful. At least it can help someone. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Join the ICNV Driver District community. You know, there's no hate here. We appreciate anything you do with your cars, any modifications you make to your cars, or just the fact that you love your car. We're all car enthusiasts on this end. So subscribe to the channel. Join the ICNV Driver District community. Now let's get back into this topic. Ever since I put the front 5VM splitter on, I always felt like my car was missing something, whether it be the side arrow or rear wing. I tried to order the side arrow, it really kept never coming in. It kept running out of parts or so forth. I don't know, but every time I tried to order them, the order kept getting placed, and weeks later I get my money back saying they're out of stock and they don't know when they're going to be able to refresh their inventory. So for that point, I just kind of drifted away from it, and I felt like the easier thing to get was the rear wing, which I have been going back and forth on anyway. I've been looking at 3 different versions, and I finally settled on this, I guess you can say, duckbill rear arrow type wing. But I was actually looking at also a rear mount bumper wing. But again, it's kind of hard, and I'll just be honest with you, it's kind of hard to visualize some of this stuff when you can't physically see it in person. And I really couldn't find anywhere in my area that had them in stock to even give me a idea or some type of, you know, just generalized look at how it would look on a car. I would like to be, I have no problem being first or unique with my design of my car, but at the same point in time, I don't want it to be over the top and not tasteful, just look like a bunch of, you know, SHI that was thrown to the wall and it didn't come out right. So I do want my car to still look nice and unique, so that's kind of why I held off on some of these other wings, because some of them were truly over the top. Like, it wasn't the look or the appeal I was going for. I won't say it won't be something that you probably wouldn't like or that could actually look nice on the car. I just say it was more than what fits my personality and how my car should be built around me. And so that's why I didn't go with it. Now, on the other side of that, you get back to this point, whereas I don't know. I just still feel like it's different. It's growing on me. I like it. At the same point in time, I could have still lived without it. So I'm going to give you a couple quick looks from different angles on the car, and then I want you to turn around and tell me what your thoughts are on the new wing I put on the car. And tell me if you like it, tell me why you don't, and honestly, let's go from there. Take a look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Again, join the ICNV Drive Edition community. Share the video. Till the next video, be safe. See you in these streets. Stay blessed. Peace. Until the next video.